Are you a law student, tech investor, or medical professional? This critical case study reveals how data forensics exposed the Theranos deception, offering vital lessons in scientific integrity, investment, due diligence, and legal accountability. Theranos promised revolutionary diagnostics from a single finger prick. For tech investors, it seemed like a disruptive breakthrough. However, medical professionals understand that true innovation demands rigorous scientific validation. Real laboratories adhere to strict protocols, accuracy, precision, and peer-reviewed validation. This is not merely a best practice, it's an ethical and regulatory standard. Theranos systematically bypassed these fundamental requirements. Prosecutors, in a compelling legal analysis, meticulously presented internal QC charts, analyzer logs, and emails. Law students should note how these forensic sources became irrefutable evidence of systemic failure, not just operational issues. Levey-Jennings charts revealed alarming bias and drift, while coefficients of variation were unacceptable. Method comparisons lacked true agreement, and proficiency testing failures were a critical red flag. This data objectively contradicted Theranos' claims. Thousands of patient results were voided, directly jeopardizing patient care. Investor demos allegedly used commercial devices, and endorsements were misleading. Emails exposed a launch now, fix later mentality, clashing with medical ethics. Regulatory sanctions followed, culminating in fraud convictions for Elizabeth Holmes and Ramesh Balwani. For medical professionals, this case underscores the profound ethical responsibility of diagnostic accuracy. Tech investors must recognize that hype cannot substitute for scientific validation and robust due diligence. Law students gain insight into the evidentiary power of data forensics in complex fraud cases. The Theranos saga is a stark reminder. Hype can raise capital, but only rigorous scientific validation earns trust and withstands legal scrutiny. This case serves as a critical precedent for accountability in health tech. Subscribe to the AI Criminologist for more evidence-first true crime. Analyze the data, understand the law, and protect the future.